Ever wondered about the differences between nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, and presbyopia? And does farsightedness equal presbyopia? Or will nearsighted people never get presbyopia as they age? Let's clear all of that up. First, let's understand how our eyes actually see things. Imagine we hide the skin and eyelashes. Now we can see the full eyeball and its internal structure. At the front, we have the cornea. The black circle is the pupil. Behind that, the white convex lenis is the crystalline lenis, and at the back is the retina. Light enters the eye and first passes through the cornea, then the lenis. The light bends. This bending is called refraction, and focuses to a single point on the retina. This is called an emmetropic eye, or a normal eye. Now let's talk nearsightedness, myopia. It happens when the axial length of the eye, the distance from front to back, is too long. Or when the cornea or lenis has too much refractive power. That's the ability to bend light. Why does refractive power increase? Maybe the cornea is too curved, or the lenis is too thick. When light enters, it bends too sharply, and the focal point lands in front of the retina, causing blurry vision. If it's due to the axial length, it's called axial myopia. If it's due to the cornea or lenis, it's called refractive myopia. In either case, the solution is a concave lenis. This shifts the focal point back onto the retina. That's your standard myopia glasses. On the other hand, farsightedness, hyperopia, is the opposite. Either the axial length is too short, or the cornea lenis refractive power is too weak. The light focuses behind the retina, making things blurry. The fix, a convex lenis, which moves the focal point forward onto the retina, restoring clear vision. Then there's astigmatism, which happens when the cornea or lenis isn't perfectly round. It's more like an oval. This creates multiple focal points, some in front of the retina, some behind, resulting in blurry or double vision. So, nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism all come from structural issues in the eye. Presbyopia, age-related farsightedness, is different. It's not about structure, it's about the eye's dynamic focusing ability. When we're young, the crystalline lenis is flexible, and the ciliary muscles adjust the lenis quickly to focus on near objects. That's like your eye's zoom function. But as we age, the lenis hardens, elasticity drops, and the ciliary muscles weaken. Now, your focusing speed slows. You might notice it when switching from the TV to your phone. Eventually, the eyes can't focus up close without reading glasses. That's presbyopia. So here's the key difference: nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, structural problems in the eye; presbyopia, decline in the eye's dynamic focusing ability. No matter your vision type, as you age, your focusing ability will eventually decline. If this cleared things up for you, hit subscribe and share this with your friends.